Hi guys, Adnan here. Before anything else, let me quickly show you some output. Article. Infographic. Full video.
How they find information and how they actually decide what to show you. Well, you're exactly in the right place. Okay, let's dive right into this. Have you ever wondered how a
Podcast.
Right now, there are literally billions of beautifully designed, fully functioning websites out there that are just completely invisible.
Yeah, they exist in total darkness.
Right, total darkness.
Yeah.
Like no human is ever going to.
Instagram Reel.
search engines organize billions of web pages through a process called search engine indexing? But since there's no mass
And newsletter. Everything you just saw was generated from this single YouTube video. YouTube 2 AI extension connects YouTube to 17 AI platforms: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, NotebookLM, Kimi, Grok, Meta AI, DeepSeek, and the rest. You sign up on the platforms you want to use. A free account is enough to generate everything shown in this video, with a daily limit on each platform. No API keys. The extension's job is simple. It captures the video's transcript, attaches your prompt, and sends both to the AI platform you choose, because output quality depends on the right prompt and the right model, and here you control both. Once it's set up, you can generate any type of content with one click on any AI platform. You can generate SEO articles, email newsletters, podcasts, Instagram Reels, social media posts, slide decks, infographics, blog images, summaries for hours-long webinars and courses, even full videos. If you can write the prompt, you can generate it. That means you don't need 5 different tools, a stack of subscriptions, or another Chrome extension. All you need is a prompt. All the extension prompts are in Prompt Studio. Open it from the extension pop-up. And you'll find 54 pre-built prompts across 11 categories: articles, social media, newsletters, infographics, presentations, summaries, and more. Each one is written for a specific format, so you can use them as they are or customize them for your own workflow. These 54 prompts are starting points. You can create your own for any requirement, and the easiest way is to let AI write one for you. For this demo, I'll keep things simple so you can clearly see how the workflow comes together. Once you understand the process, you can iterate on your prompts and make them as detailed and sophisticated as your workflow requires. Now let's create a custom prompt for blog posts. I copy the built-in article prompt. Switch over to Claude. Paste it in and ask it to create a basic version. I'll pause here and come back once Claude has finished generating the prompt. I copy the new prompt, head back to Prompt Studio, create a new prompt, give it a name, choose a category, and paste it in. There's also an optional follow-up prompt that automatically runs after the first one, but to keep things simple, I'll leave it empty for this demo. We'll use this prompt on the video in a moment. Back in the extension pop-up, one more thing to set before we generate. Article options handle the details you'd otherwise repeat in every prompt: your call to action, EEAT emphasis, your affiliate link. Set them once and they're applied to every article automatically. Add-ons work the same way. Tick key takeaways or a data table and they're included in the next generation. Checked means included, unchecked means left out. Back on the video, select the skyscraper prompt. Choose Claude as the platform and click the Generate button. Claude opens in a new tab with the transcript and the instructions already loaded and starts writing. I'll skip the wait. And here's the finished article. Now let's publish it. Open the extension pop-up and start by copying the title from Claude into the title field. Next, copy the URL slug, then the meta description, and finally the article content. For the featured image, you can search Pexels or Pixabay directly from the extension, choose an image, and add it without leaving the page. If you prefer, you can also generate images with Claude, Google Nano Banana, or any other AI image model, then upload it manually. If you want to include the original YouTube video, simply click Embed Video, and the video article was generated from is added automatically. Before publishing, open the WordPress connection settings and enter your website URL, username, and application password. This is a one-time setup, so you won't need to do it again. Once everything's ready, click Publish, and your article is live on WordPress. This article we generated came from a regular Claude chat, but if you use Claude Projects, you can make the output much more consistent. Let me switch over and show you. A Claude project is a workspace where you can keep knowledge files such as your brand guidelines, writing style, sitemap, product documentation, or any other reference material. Every chat inside that project automatically uses those files as context, so you don't have to include the same information in every prompt. To connect it with the extension, simply copy your Claude project link and paste it into the project field on the YouTube page. From that point on, articles, infographics, blog images, and other content are generated directly inside your Claude project, giving the AI access to the context you've already provided. Let me open the AI platform list. The extension works with multiple AI platforms, so you can choose whichever one fits your workflow. For writing, Claude Opus 4.8 is one of the best options available today. Recently, Kimi released its K3 model, and according to one of the latest writing benchmarks, it ranked #1 for editorial writing, ahead of Claude Fable 5. Let me show you the benchmark. As new models are released, you can test them yourself and choose the one that works best for your workflow. Back on the video, let's generate a presentation with Kimi K3. I select a presentations prompt, choose Kimi Slides, and click Generate button. The prompt opens in Kimi, ready to go. I choose a presentation design that best matches the content and click Send. Kimi is currently experiencing high demand, so I'll switch to a completed generation to keep the demo moving. Within a few minutes, Kimi generates a complete presentation. Let's go back to the video. This time we'll use NotebookLM. NotebookLM works through notebooks. Create a notebook once. Copy its link. Then paste the NotebookLM link into the extension. Select the video prompt. And click Generate. The video is added to your notebook as a source, and NotebookLM starts processing it. While that's happening, you'll see built-in options like audio overview, slide deck, video overview, and infographic, which you can generate with a single click. If you need something more specific, you can also write your own prompt and ask NotebookLM to generate exactly what you need. Multi-hour webinars, lectures, and podcasts become content you can query, and NotebookLM turns them into video overviews, Instagram videos, podcast-style audio episodes, infographics, slide decks, and summaries. Everything you see on the landing page, from the full video and infographic to the Instagram reel and podcast, was generated using this workflow. Video generation may take a few minutes, depending on the length of the video. I'll pause here and come back once the generation is complete. Processing is complete. Let's see what NotebookLM generated.
Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on exactly how search engines operate. Let's dive in.
So how does a great website avoid getting completely lost among billions of others out there?
The answer is SEO. It's your ultimate tool to expand brand exposure and build real credibility online.
Google organizes the entire internet using a simple three-step process: crawling, indexing, and serving. First up, crawling. Imagine automated bots hopping from link to link, constantly discovering new and updated content.
Next is indexing. Just like the back of a book, Google securely stores those crawled URLs to review later. Finally, serving. The algorithm works kind of like a recipe, sorting billions of pages to serve you relevant answers. But how does it actually rank them? Well, the algorithm evaluates these 5 key factors. Factor 1, query meaning. Complex language models are used to
Let's go back on the video page one last time. If all you need is the raw data, copy data lets you copy the transcript, title, description, or comments with a single click. Export data packages everything into one file, ready to use wherever you need it. I've shown you Claude, Kimi, and NotebookLM, but the extension connects to many more: ChatGPT, Meta AI, Grok, Gemini, Google Nano Banana, and others. We're already about 12 minutes in, so I won't walk through everyone. The point is, you're never tied to a single platform. Test them on your own work and use whichever fits the job in front of you. The extension is built to stay flexible and simple, so bringing a new platform into your workflow takes seconds. One more thing worth knowing. Extension is built and supported by a team of software engineers, SEO specialists, and digital marketers. So if you need a new feature in the extension or a prompt built around your own workflow, we'll build it for you, free within your first 30 days. You send us the requirement, we handle the rest. So in one sitting, a published article, slide deck, and full video, all from a single YouTube link. That's YouTube to AI extension, 17 platforms, unlimited prompts, one workflow. It's $13 one time, not a subscription, no renewals, and it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. The link is below. See you inside.